welcoming you all to my new vlog with this yummy fish fry जो मैंने थोड़ा उसको खराब किया था उठा के. I'm having this only with rice and curd क्योंकि बचपन से ये वाला combination मेरा बहुत favorite था. Simba! Alam, may tumatin! May tumatin! Kunin tuloy! Yummy ideal ice cream! What are we having?
Ice cream.
Chocolate dad.
Chocolate dad.
Chocolate dad!
Chocolate dad, yes.
Cheers. Sure. You have already eaten a little, no? You can see how it is.
Goo gaga.
Butterscotch inside and chocolate flavor. Yummy! यूवी का तो दिन बन गया आज. So if you all want to know more about Kola, there are different YouTube channels wherein they explain more in detail about Kola and what happens in this ritual. And here the food is being served. Always it's started with pickle, mango pickle, and then raw jackfruit bhaji. Always in occasions like these, the veg, even though the food is veg, it's amazing. So here we have puri and paneer ka bhaji. Again yummy. So once this is going on, there is a special rasa that comes, that is the mango, ripe mango ka rasa. So we have this mango ka, what do you call it, seed? I'm not sure about that. So that is what they serve with rasa. And here comes our rice, which we Mangloreans mostly prefer. Hot, garam rasam on it. Yeah. And this is puran, which we call holige in Tulu, and paisa. Yummy. So the Kola was still going on because it goes on till morning. And look here, as we came home, it started raining, and Yuvi and Lara are playing in the rain. Yuvi was so happy playing in the rain. मतलब उसको पहले दिन हम लोग आए थे, इतना मिला नहीं था खेलने के लिए, बट इस बार उसने सोचा कि नहीं, आज तो खेल ही लूंगा. एंड आई वाज लाइक ठीक है, एंजॉय. Look at him dancing there. He's so happy. Ah. Bachi. And here comes my cousins. So whenever we come down to Mangalore, it is mandatory that my cousins should come home and meet all of us. We have a good chit chat around like this, sitting with each other, and yeah, we have a nice time.
ಕವಿಯ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ದಿಶಾ
So it's the next day morning, guys. Good morning to all of you. So यहाँ पे मैं खा रही हूँ neer dosa and fish curry for my breakfast. Dosa. Yes, I can have mummy's made fish curry any time of the day, especially with neer dosa. Neer dosa and fish curry is the best combination ever. So I was enjoying this सुकून से बैठ के मस्त enjoy कर रही थी. Also the weather outside was amazing. So आ गया double मजा. So yes, I am enjoying my breakfast. I'll see you all later once my breakfast is done. So the weather here is so good. It's gonna rain here, rain. ಮುಗಲ್ ಇತ್ತನ್ನಿಗತ್ತೆ ಎಂಕಲ್ ಟ್ರೈನ್ ಹಿಡ್ಪುನಾಗಲ್ಲ ಬಸ್ಸ ಬರ್ತೇನೆ ಜೋರ್ ಊರ್ದ ಬರ್ಸ ತೂಲ ನನ್ನ ಊರ್ದ ಬರ್ಸ ಕೂತ ನೈ Dado.
Thank you.
What is it, Yuvi?
Rolla Kola.
Show what all chocolates. So many chocolates.
That's good for your health.
It's good for your health.
Yeah.
Come here. Come here once. Where did you go? You went to the temple?
Yeah.
Did you enjoy?
Yeah.
Where were you?
Adda.
At there. Who all were there?
Uddi, Regina, Rushi Mama.
Etc. etc. Sand Street. Go change. So that's it for today's vlog, guys. ये रोला कोला जो सिस्टर ने यूवी के लिए लाया था मैंने उसको ढाप लिया क्योंकि ये मेरा भी फेवरेट है. आई गेस बचपन से ऑलमोस्ट एवरीबडी वर इन लव विद दिस चॉकलेट ना. बहुत सारे चॉकलेट्स तो थे लेकिन दिस वॉज वन अमंग एवरीबडीज फेवरेट, राइट. मेरा अभी भी फेवरेट है एक्चुअली. यू कैन सी दीज टू पीपल इन माई व्लॉग. मतलब मैं इधर ही सोती हूँ एंड एवरी मॉर्निंग वेक अप एंड आई हैव टू सी दीज पीपल्स फेसेस. So what I was talking about रोला कोला. So फाइनली थोड़ा लड़ाई वड़ाई करके मैंने यूवी से इतना, आई थिंक इसमें 4 होगा, 4 या 5 होगा, इतना तो मैंने ढाप लिया. एंड टेस्ट, सीरियसली द टेस्ट इज स्टिल द सेम. बस वही है, थोड़ा भी चेंज नहीं हुआ है. मतलब यू फील नॉस्टैल्जिक, दैट सेम टेस्ट इज देयर. ओके, मैं ये लोगों को ना फ्रेम से थोड़ा हटा देती हूँ ताकि हम मेरे को लगे कि मैं आप लोगों से बात कर रही हूँ ना कि ये लोगों से. no, ऐसा नहीं कि मेरे को नफरत है. थोड़ा ज़्यादा प्यार है इसलिए. ओके, फॉरगेट अबाउट देम. About rola cola, I think I'm done. So that's it for today's vlog, guys. If you all did like my vlog, please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment on my vlog. So I don't see much people commenting on my vlog.
I don't know if y'all are not comfortable, but I would like to know if y'all wish to see something more in my vlogs. Anything at all. If you don't like anything in my vlog, anything at all, please don't forget to comment, yaar. And also don't forget to subscribe. I'm trying to show new things, as I had shown y'all today in today's vlog. Kola. So Mangloreans know very much about Kola. Even I know about Kola, but I don't want to give, मतलब कहीं पे भी थोड़ा गलत हो गई तो it will be a problem. I don't want to be, doing any kind of mistakes in such things, because they are like the most important rituals that we have in Mangalore. And whoever is explaining it, I want you to get information from the perfect person. So that's why I haven't given too much explanation about Kola. I'm sure there are a lot of YouTube channels, who explain, in detail about all this, and you will be approaching the right person. I wouldn't be the right person, because मेरे को जो पता है इधर उधर से थोड़ा थोड़ा पता है, इधर उधर से नहीं, जाके थोड़ा थोड़ा पता है, like not much in detail. So if you all are getting any information about Kola, I want you all to get proper information, not half and half. And there are many such rituals that we have. Kola, Nema, we have the Yakshagana, we have a lot of things in Mangalore, which is really beautiful to watch, and there are different stories also behind it. So you can find it in any of the YouTube channels. If you're, I'll ask my friends if I can suggest you all any channels where you all will get information about it. So yeah, that's it, guys. If, as I told you all, please don't forget to comment, and hope to see you all in the next vlog. So till then, toodles, show some love.